How to connect Instagram to Facebook business page. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to connect Instagram to Facebook business page. In order to connect Instagram to Facebook business page, first thing first, you'll need to go ahead and check your internet connection and then open up or log in into your Instagram account. So in order to begin with this procedure, first of all, make sure that you already have a professional account or professional Instagram account. In my case, I already have a professional account, so all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side, and in order to begin with professional account, all you have to do is just switch your account type. Once you're done switching the account type, go ahead and tap the professional account, and once you're on this page, go ahead and tap the gear icon from the top, and then you'll need to go ahead and select see more in account center. After you click on see more in account center on this page, go ahead and select account, and next page you'll need to select a particular Facebook account. So right on this page you'll be able to find an option as connect to Facebook page. All you need to do is just tap on the following option, and you need to follow the on-screen prompt. Make sure to enable all of the permissions and also make sure to set some of the information, and that's basically how you can connect Instagram to Facebook page. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.